Welcome to Wholesome World. Let's explore the incredible Amazon rainforest. It's the largest tropical rainforest on Earth, covering over 5.5 million square kilometers. The Amazon produces more than 20% of the world's oxygen. It's truly the lungs of our planet. With over 3 million species, it's one of the most biodiverse places on Earth, but it's under threat. Deforestation is destroying this vital ecosystem every single day. We can help by raising awareness and supporting conservation efforts. Every step counts. This is Wholesome World. Subscribe for more.